Over 10 million people use XYO's Coin app daily, yet the project's token trades 95% below its all-time high. It carries a level of regulatory and institutional standing that most of the market lacks, holding a Coinbase listing and qualifying with the SEC for a Regulation A offering. XYO is a DePIN, a decentralized physical infrastructure network designed specifically for the collection and verification of real-world geospatial data. While it began as a simple location protocol in 2018, the project recently completed a major technical evolution by launching its own Layer 1 blockchain. With a 6-year track record and a newly established sovereign blockchain, XYO has moved past the stage of an untested startup and into the role of a mature infrastructure protocol. Currently, location data is a closed loop controlled by big tech corporations like Google and Apple, who monetize our movements without sharing the profit. In this model, the individuals actually generating the valuable data receive nothing for it, while corporations sell those insights to the highest bidder. XYO replaces centralized control with a system where users collect and validate geospatial data through their devices and get rewarded in tokens. This creates a decentralized data layer that AI systems, logistics companies, and smart contract developers can purchase and utilize. By turning everyday movement into a verifiable data product, XYO aims to provide an alternative to the multi-billion-dollar corporate data monopoly. XYO has 13.9 billion tokens in circulation, already fully diluted. Because the $50 million market cap matches the fully diluted valuation exactly, this 1-to-1 ratio means no hidden team or venture capital unlocks are waiting to dump on the market. To manage the network, the 2024 Layer 1 launch introduced a dual token model, where the XL1 token handles gas fees, separating daily utility from the core XYO token's governance. The project's 10 million strong user base represents a scale of active participation that very few projects in the DePIN sector have managed to achieve. Social media activity currently shows neutral sentiment. There is a lack of the high-energy speculative hype often seen at market peaks, which can suggest a period of quiet accumulation. These metrics show a transparent financial structure, where the current valuation is driven by public trading rather than internal supply manipulation. To understand where XYO fits, we have to look at the Helium network, the most well-known name in the DePIN sector. While Helium focuses on physical hardware like routers for wireless coverage, XYO is software-based, prioritizing location verification and data sovereignty through the devices people already carry. This mobile-first approach gives XYO a reach into the consumer market that hardware-heavy competitors find difficult to replicate. The token is also highly accessible, trading with significant volume on major exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin, as well as decentralized bridges on Ethereum and Base. XYO has already cleared the 2 hurdles that stop most crypto projects: building a massive consumer footprint and securing deep retail liquidity. Despite those milestones, the price is currently struggling at approximately $0.0038, or about 0.4 cents. Compared to the 2021 high of 8 cents, the token is at a 95% drawdown from its peak. On the technical chart, a major resistance level has formed at 1 cent, a ceiling the price has been unable to penetrate. Breaking and holding above that 1 cent mark is the primary signal required to indicate a shift in market momentum and a genuine trend reversal. Even with strong underlying metrics, the project is currently confined by a bearish technical chart that will likely require a major catalyst to break. The bull case for XYO is built on its fully circulating supply, an SEC-compliant foundation, and its massive user base. The bear case is the 95% drop in value, the lack of a supply burn mechanism, and the presence of better-funded rivals. XYO is a long-term play on the growth of the real-world data economy, and its success depends entirely on how that sector expands. This analysis is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always perform your own research and understand the risks before investing. Does XYO have the infrastructure to become a leader in the DePIN narrative, or is the market right to keep it at a fraction of a cent? Let us know what you think in the comments.